Hello everyone, my name is Simpi. It's my honor to have got the opportunity to speak on this platform. The Community Library Project, or TCLP, runs 4 community libraries in New Delhi, India that are free for all. I joined the library 6 years ago as a member. This June, I joined as a librarian. TCLP works for the free library movement. In India, people have been and still are excluded from reading because of class, caste oppression, language, gender identity, and many other factors. The public library system is inadequate and has various barriers to access. The free library movement has been fighting against this exclusion by building excellent free community libraries that are for all and building equitable access to reading, thinking through books, and information. For example, in our TCLP libraries, we have regular read alouds, member leader representative from the community, safety and non-discrimination policies, and no ID requirement or fees. Today, I will talk about how the pandemic made us reimagine how community libraries can develop digital libraries according to the needs of their community. A digital library cannot be a replacement for a physical library, but we now have to think about what role they play in building a more equitable world along with physical libraries. With an increased use of digital libraries, readers will have more option among different library platforms, browsing books and read alouds anytime, ability to attend distance workshops, more freedom to choose books and share the access local news. However, the threat with digital libraries in India is that they will increase the divide between those who have the privilege to access online resources and those who don't. The increasing number of app-based digital libraries made by corporations will not be accessible and promote critical thinking, community ownership, and political participation the way that physical libraries do. Therefore, we need one free library movement that demands access to free internet, digital service, access to books and libraries, both offline and online. Physical and digital branches of libraries must share the same goal of building access for all in the community. Actions we can take include bridging gaps to build access to online service through library programs. In India, there is growing digitization of external government service such as education and vaccines, and many people cannot access them. We are redressing this inequitable reach to government schemes and vaccine inequity through a program where members can register for a labor card or the COVID-19 vaccine at the library. Another example is Dunia Sabki, our digital library, which means the world belongs to all of us. This is a low internet use, low time use, accessible digital library. Books, read alouds, and relevant information arrive to the phones of community members. Another action is campaigning and advocacy. We must continue to demand for more free libraries, free internet, free information and service like ration, healthcare, education to be offline and hold the government accountable. We must do this by together collaborating with various other social justice, community and library organizations.
Thank you.